This question belongs to operating system subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, a computer system implements a 40-bit virtual address. So we have a virtual address of, this is virtual address of 40 bits. What is a virtual address? So CPU always generates a virtual address. Page size of 8 KB. Now this virtual address is divided into two parts. First is page number, virtual page number, and another one is page offset. So what does page offset mean? Since we have a page, then we need to refer to a particular line of a page. So we need some bits in page offset. So how many bits do we need? See, page size is 8 KB, which is equals to kilobytes. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 10 bytes, which is 2 to the power 13 bytes. So we will need 13 bits. So 13 bit is needed in page offset. So how many bits are needed in page number? We need 40 minus 13 bits. So 40 minus 13 is 27 bits over here. Okay, now see, let me clear this stuff out. Okay, and at 128 entry translation leukocyte buffer. See, this virtual address need to be converted to physical address for finding our data. So we have a data structure called TLB in between. So this is our TLB. It has various fields like whether a bit is valid or not, it's dirty or not. We have a valid field, we have a dirty field, then we have a tag field, and then we have the corresponding physical page number. So using this virtual page number, we will come to this TLB and we will find our physical page number. Okay, and when we get the physical page number, then we will create our physical address, which will have the physical page number, and we will have page offset. Page offset will be the same. Page offset will be the same, and physical page number we will get from here. And it will have 27 bytes and it will have 13 bytes. Now let us read it further. The TLB is organized into 32 sets, each having 4 ways. So this TLB is organized into 32 sets. Set 0, set 1, set 2 and set 32. Okay, so since we have 32 sets, so 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, which means we will need 5 bits per tag. So out of 27, 5 went for tag. So how many? See, out of 27, we need 5 bits for coming to a particular set. In this 27, see, we have this 27. Out of this 27, we will need 5 to go to our respective set. We will need 5. So how many are left for tag? So tag equals to 27 minus 5, which is 22 bits are left for tag over here. And here we will get a corresponding physical page number. Now it is asking, assume that TLD does not store any process ID. The minimum length of TLB tag is in bits. So we need to find the tag length. So tag length is 22 bits. Let me brief it up once more. We have a virtual address. We need to convert it into physical address. So virtual address has virtual page number and page offset. Since page size is 8 KB, which is 2 to the power 13 bytes, we will need 13 bits for page offset and remaining 27 bits for virtual page number. Using these 27 bits, we come to the TLB. TLB has a tag field and physical page number corresponding to the virtual page number. Now, since it has 32 sets, so we will, which is equals to 2 to the power 5, we will need 5 bits for getting to a particular set, and the remaining bits will be used for tag. So out of 27 minus 5, we will use 22 bits for tag. So answer is 22. Now we will get our physical page number and page offset. Now using this, we will go to our cache memory. Cache memory to see whether our data is present there or not. If it is present, we will give it to CPU. If not present, we will go to our main memory and get the data. Even if it is not present in the main memory, we will go to our secondary memory and get the data. So this is our flow. So answer is 22 bits for tag.